Ever wondered about the different types of floor tiles and their unique characteristics? Floor tiles are more than just a functional element in our homes or offices. They play a significant role in defining the aesthetics of our spaces, contributing to the overall design and ambience. Whether it's the cool touch of ceramic under your bare feet, the rustic charm of natural stone, or the modern flair of vinyl, each type of floor tile brings a distinct character and feel to a space. In this video, we're going to explore the diverse world of floor tiles. We'll delve into ceramics, porcelain, natural stone, vinyl, linoleum, terrazzo, glass, and cement tiles. You'll learn about their unique properties, their advantages and disadvantages, and where they're best used. So, whether you're planning a renovation or just curious about interior design, this is for you. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of floor tiles. First on our list is the versatile ceramic tile. These tiles are crafted from clay materials which are subjected to high temperatures until they reach a hardened state. Ceramic tiles come in two main varieties, glazed and unglazed. The glazed variety boasts a shiny protective layer that renders them resistant to stains, scratches, and moisture. On the other hand, unglazed ceramic tiles have a beautiful, natural matte finish. When it comes to color, pattern, and size, ceramic tiles offer a wide range to choose from, ensuring there's something for everyone's taste. These tiles are best suited for indoor areas with low to moderate foot traffic. The only downside, they can be slightly less durable than some of their counterparts. However, their classic appeal and ability to withstand everyday wear and tear make ceramic tiles a popular choice in many homes. Ceramic tiles, a classic choice for beauty and durability. Next up, we have the sturdy and stylish porcelain tile. Crafted from finer clay and subjected to higher kiln temperatures, porcelain tiles are a testament to resilience. They're denser, more durable, and less porous than most other tile types, making them a champion against water, stains, and scratches. These qualities also make them a prime choice for both indoor and outdoor applications, including high-traffic areas where durability is key. But the charm of porcelain tiles isn't limited to their robustness. They also offer an array of aesthetic possibilities. Their versatile design options range from solid colors to elaborate patterns, and from matte finishes to high gloss. This means they can effortlessly blend into any decor style, be it minimalist, modern, or rustic charm. However, their superior quality comes with a slightly higher price tag, and they may require a professional hand for installation. Porcelain tiles, a symbol of strength and elegance. For those who love the beauty of nature, we present natural stone tiles. These tiles are truly one of a kind, crafted from materials like marble, granite, limestone, travertine, slate, and sandstone. Each type of stone comes with its own spectrum of colors, patterns, and textures. The natural variation in appearance is what adds an aesthetic appeal that's hard to replicate. However, this beauty comes with a bit of a maintenance commitment. Natural stone tiles require sealing to prevent staining and water damage. And while they may be a bit more expensive, the timeless elegance and the unique character they add to your space can be well worth the investment. From marble in the bathroom, giving a luxurious spa-like feel, to slate in the kitchen for a rustic touch, or sandstone on the patio for a natural outdoor vibe, the possibilities are endless. Natural stone tiles, bringing the charm of nature indoors. Moving on to synthetic options, let's explore vinyl and linoleum tiles. Vinyl tiles are crafted from synthetic materials like polyvinyl chloride, offering a wide range of designs, including patterns that mimic natural materials like wood and stone. They are resistant to water, stains, and scratches, making them an excellent choice for high moisture areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Plus, they are soft and comfortable underfoot, adding a touch of luxury to your space. On the other hand, linoleum tiles are made from natural materials such as linseed oil, wood flour, cork dust, and mineral fillers. This makes them environmentally friendly and biodegradable. Linoleum tiles resist water and stains and come in a variety of colors and patterns. With proper maintenance, these tiles can be incredibly durable and long-lasting. Whether you're after the plush comfort of vinyl or the eco-friendly durability of linoleum, both these options offer unique advantages. Vinyl and linoleum tiles, the perfect blend of comfort and durability. Now, let's shift our focus to the unique terrazzo and glass tiles. Terrazzo tiles are a marvel of old-world Italian craftsmanship made by embedding chips of marble, granite, quartz, or even glass into a cement or epoxy matrix. This results in a speckled appearance that's as durable as it is eye-catching. However, due to its complex manufacturing process, professional installation is recommended. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, terrazzo tiles can withstand high traffic areas quite well. On the other hand, glass tiles are the epitome of modern elegance. Created by fusing thin pieces of glass together with heat, they come in a variety of colors, sizes, and finishes. The reflective properties of glass tiles create a bright and vibrant appearance, making them an excellent choice for backsplashes, accent walls, and decorative purposes. They are also resistant to stains and moisture, adding to their appeal. Terrazzo and glass tiles for those who desire a touch of uniqueness. Last but not least, we have the artistic cement tiles. These handmade gems are carefully crafted from cement, sand, and pigment, and sometimes even marble powder is added into the mix to create a unique touch. The result is a tile that offers intricate patterns and designs, making each piece a work of art. Now let's talk about the advantages of cement tiles. Apart from their undeniable aesthetic appeal, they are incredibly versatile and can be used both indoors and outdoors. However, they do require some maintenance. To prevent staining and water damage, it's important to seal your cement tiles. But don't let this discourage you. The unique charm and character that cement tiles bring to a space is well worth the extra care. They can transform any room from ordinary to extraordinary, making them the perfect choice for those looking to make a stylish statement. Cement tiles, the epitome of creativity and style. Floor tiles can indeed transform the look and feel of any space. Let's take a moment to revisit the key characteristics of the various tile types we've explored today. Ceramic tiles, made from clay and fired at high temperatures, are a popular choice for their stain, scratch, and moisture resistance. They're perfect for areas with low to moderate foot traffic. Porcelain tiles, a denser version of ceramic, are known for their durability and resistance to water, stains, and scratches. They can handle both indoor and outdoor settings, even in high traffic areas. For those who love the charm of natural materials, natural stone tiles offer unique colors, patterns, and textures. However, they may require special maintenance, including sealing to prevent staining and water damage. Vinyl tiles mimic the look of natural materials while offering the benefits of synthetic materials. They're resistant to water, stains, and scratches, making them ideal for high moisture areas. Linoleum tiles, made from natural components like linseed oil and wood flour, are an environmentally friendly option. They're durable, resistant to water and stains, and available in a variety of colors and patterns. Terrazzo tiles offer a unique, speckled appearance and are incredibly durable thanks to their composition of marble, granite, quartz, or glass chips embedded in a cement or epoxy matrix. These tiles require professional installation but are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use in high traffic areas. Glass tiles, made from fused glass pieces, are perfect for adding a vibrant touch to your space. They're resistant to stains and moisture, making them ideal for decorative purposes. Lastly, cement tiles are handmade and offer intricate patterns and designs. These tiles need to be sealed to prevent staining and water damage, but are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Choosing the right tile requires careful consideration of the location of installation, durability requirements, maintenance needs, and aesthetic preferences. Remember, the right tile can enhance the beauty and functionality of your space, so choose wisely.